Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn for Fun. I'm your host Sylvia. What's up guys? So today I thought of making this unboxing video. I recently bought this Ultra Dura plus 1.25 liters wet grinder. And I thought let me make this video for you guys because I know that there are a lot of questions around how to use the wet grinder and is it really useful, is it really worth it, because it's about $200 with tax. So I just thought of making this video so that you can get to see what's inside and how it really works, and I hope that this video is helpful and addresses few of your questions, because I personally had a lot of questions before I bought this. So I'm gonna make a demo video by making batter in it, so I'll be posting that soon, but for now let's just open the box and see what's inside. So it comes with this extension for making the dough, a spatula, and let's check what's inside. Looks like these are some extra parts, a lid to go over, the batter cleaning system on which we can place the stones to get rid of the batter, the wet grinder drum, a manual, instruction manual, and the actual machine. So let's take off those, and you can see that there are these stones inside, one at the base and the top two stones. They are conical in shape. The instruction manual gives the recommended measure and grinding time for both rice and dal, with the minimum maximum load conditions. It also gives the sequence of operations and the do's and the don'ts, and it gives like all the parts that are used in the wet grinder if anybody is interested. The one that I have, it came with the atta kneader, but if you want the coconut scraper, probably you'll need to buy it separately on their website. Just a small tip here, whenever you open the arm, always make sure that you place your hand on the arm, otherwise it just flips open with a force and you might just get hurt or something if you're not aware. Just place the drum in the center and turn it so it fits correctly, and then place the conical stones with the scraper facing towards the right, so that when we close the arm it will fit correctly and close properly, and then we can fit the lid on top when we start making our batter. There is only one button which you can use to power on and off. For cleaning, you'll have to take off the conical stones attachment. Batter will also be stuck in this hole underneath, so we'll have to clean that. In order to clean off the excess batter, you can place this attachment on top, and then you can place the conical stones on top of this ring, and you can just turn the stones so the batter can fall down, the excess batter will fall down into the drum. These are the extra attachments, so let's take a look where they fit. The ring will go underneath over here, and this part is probably going on the handle, and this is the extra attachment that goes onto the conical stones. After your batter is done, you can clean it with warm soapy water, and don't keep it upside down, just keep the stone side down, and you can tap it dry with paper towel or a cloth. So I hope you like this unboxing video. I hope it has answered some of your questions, and if you have any more questions, please write them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy cooking.